Hi everyone, this is Sarah at Health by Sarah. Today I'm showing you another organic grocery haul, and I spent $58.20. So what I got is actually a really smaller grocery run than normal, but I'm pretty stocked up well in my freezer, refrigerator, and pantry. So just a couple things we got, but it ended up being more money for a different reason, which I will show you. So let me show you what I got. So what we got, I had my husband pick these things up for me because it's just hard with 2 kids now, but he just went to the farmer's market and got some chicken livers. They are from pasture-raised chickens, and I spent $9.84 on both of these, $3.99 a pound. That's pretty much the lowest amount you can get from the farmers for organ meats. Everything else goes up by the price, but I've just been really craving them lately, and it's been hard for me to get them. They've been out at the farmer's market, so I had him grab a couple of them so we can make some pate or just chicken livers and bacon. I have a recipe for that on my blog, so I will put that below along with my fried chicken livers recipe. But yeah, after a while, especially while pregnant or nursing, your nutrient stores can get used up pretty easily. So organ meats are very nutrient dense. In fact, liver is one of the most nutrient dense foods, if not the most nutrient dense food on the planet. Very high in iron, many other nutrients as well. Vitamins A, very high in vitamin A, but there's no concern about vitamin A if you're getting it from a natural source like liver. So the studies were done on synthetic vitamin A. So this one is very safe to eat, especially from healthy animals. And this is the only other thing we got was all this organic curry paste. I had my husband stop by our new Earth Fair in town, and I had them special order for me organic curry paste because all they had was non-organic, and it had things like peppers in it, which are very highly sprayed, so I wanted to get some organic ones. And I had no idea the guy ordered this many for me. According to the receipt, it ended up being $48.36, but we did get a $5.37 discount, I imagine because it was a bulk order. But these have very clean ingredients in them, and I was talking to my husband. I didn't realize he was going to buy all these, but he thought that I wanted all of them, and I was like, well, we can just return them. But then I looked on the back to see how many servings it is. It says 4 servings per container, and basically 1 serving is for like a whole meal for your family for 1 pound of meat. Because right here it tells you like basically a recipe. You empty it into the pot, you add coconut cream or milk, some sort of meat, vegetable in there. You season with salt, and you can sprinkle with cilantro or basil, and that's it. That's a very easy meal. And so I was like, okay, 4 servings per container, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 12 total, but 6 of each kind. This is red and this is green Thai. And I figured out that is actually 48 different meals for like 4 people, I suppose, in 1 meal. And that's a pretty good amount. So each of these is basically $1 per meal, serving probably 3 to 4 people. And so that's actually a really good deal, even though that's a ton of curries to eat through. And we looked at the expiration dates right there. So this one's October 30th, 2020, a little over a year from now. But this one is actually 2021. March 10th, 2021. So I just got to make sure that I eat through all these curries before it expires, but I'm sure we will because we love Asian food in general. So this is just a very easy way for me to incorporate this into our diet. And as a mother of 2 young children now, I'm looking for very simple ways to create meals, and so this just makes it very, very simple for me. I don't have to make a special sauce. It's already made for me, and let me show you the ingredients. And they said all of our ingredients are 100% organic. There's just some cane sugar in there, but it's towards the end of the ingredient list, so you know it's not like the main ingredient or anything. But that is very encouraging. They have the USD organic seal on it, and the green Thai curry paste. These are the ingredients. They're also 100% organic. However, if you can't find something like this, I can link below an easy Indian dinner template that helped to teach me to start cooking Indian food. I know these are Thai on here, but in Indian food you use curries too, and it's actually a very simple way to make dinner as well. So I can link that below, as well as my ground beef curry recipe on my blog as well. So I hope you guys have found this to be fun, and let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you will know when I post. Until next time, bye!